Kanguni ka development is more than 3 million people now worship na Zion prayer ministry. Mandana abroad. They are all billionaires, so millionaires. So do you know that now all of them will move their wealth, their properties, their belongings from abroad? Everybody they move, you know, down to Imo State. Mandegaro real estate, Mandegaro hospital, Mandegaro hotel, Mandegaro industries. All members of the church, they go hana, what I found, they break it. All these things are a brother or Ben Namka, a brother, or any brother on a brother Lagos, or a Bujan Ugausa, and a brother na Yoruba, or Nani Igbo. So just think, just imagine Kogade, they are within an Imo State. A massive development in Abatan over there. Ndoboda, Ebu Gobina Cho, EJ, where Igora on that side. Ye gentleman Katora Chukubama, na Behanine. Yago small London. Behani in the Yago small London. Number one, Anambra Airport, Gana di busy 24 hours. Imo Airport, Gana di busy 24 hours. Enugu Airport, Gana di busy 24 hours. Even Port Harcourt, Gana di busy 24 hours just because of one prayer ministry. Una say never about development. Now economy of Anambra Gabago, economy Imo Gabago, economy Enugu, same thing. Everybody they troop down. On I wonder my bazen got develop where Igbo with members of the church. Within the joke because you are saying bazen I ain't nothing Igbo. 3 million followers, 3 million members worldwide. Bazen the guy by the south is not this Ala Ofemano is not comfortable with us again. It's not favoring us again. Happen say you know when the bazen the guy by the time Igbo can develop where Igbo for the now by Ambassador Church. In case you don't know, I debuted hospital na that place. And they put a company, and they put industries, and they put many things. Now we have to go on there. What billionaires not in a church, in the BK, in the workers the property, in the industry, in the real estate. They are the Kayabada Southeast. Kaja develop with 1 year. Each all it take here my message. Each all a halfway is not of my business. Come on here, noble. You may get in your updates. People might fan big boys from our WhatsApp, my fan no kita standby. Zion ko hano go kata anani na na side ebe ahụ ere now some people not information no na amoka aweto ta na amoka gori ya amoka mana obusi ha amoka mana aga agu na ebe ka ga enye no wrong information within 1 week to 2 weeks now amai hana flag wo my flag ozugbo mana amai flag ozugbo katapela ebido ọrụ amanya hana flag ozugbo piam massive development ihe nnobu. People that believe in my updates, I will kindly tell them